What is knee multi-ligament injury? So friends, when you get a very severe trauma of the knee, in which knee is completely dislocated, then sometimes you get injuries of more than one ligament. Like there can be a ACL, PCL, MCL and LCL tear in the same knee. So there are few things to remember and few things to do when you get these kind of injuries. After the injury, you need a rest period of 4 to 6 weeks to reduce the swelling. Don't go for the surgery immediately after the multiligamentous injury, especially the ligament reconstruction surgery. There might be some other kind of surgeries after the trauma, like some doctors may fix the knee after the knee dislocation with the external fixators. Second thing, if your knee is immobilized after the multiligamentous injury, then there is a high chance that it will cause severe knee stiffness. So friends, my advice after a knee multiligamentous injury is that we should use a knee brace for about 4 to 6 weeks to reduce the swelling. Do a lot of ice packs. Do regular knee mobilization exercises after removing the brace. So you can remove the brace every day, do the exercises and put the brace back. Do knee strengthening exercises so that you can maintain the strength of the muscles of the leg. After 4 to 6 weeks, when the swelling is reduced, when the edema has gone, then we can go for a single stage arthroscopic surgeries for all the ligament reconstruction. If the ligament reconstruction is done by the screw method, then the rehabilitation is very long and the rehabilitation is very painful. So the most common complication after the screw multiligamentous injuries are the knee stiffness. Second issue with the screw surgery is that for each ligament reconstruction, we need at least 2 tendons of your body. So suppose if we have 3 ligament injuries, then we need to harvest at least 6 tendons from your body, which will involve both your knees and both your ankles. So whenever a patient comes to me with a multiligamentous injury, we always advise to go for a all inside reconstruction with fiber tape internal bracing. With this technique, we only use 1 tendon for 1 ligament. So if you have 3 ligament injuries, we will only harvest 3 tendons from your body and we will reconstruct ACL, PCL, MCL and LCL at the same time in the same surgery. We also do the internal bracing of each ligament reconstruction so that you can do the knee mobilization very early after the surgery. So the chances of knee stiffness with fiber tape internal brace surgery is very less as compared to the screw surgery. And after the surgery, you can get back into the sports within 4 months. So friends, if your MRI is showing that you have a more than 1 ligament injury, then you can share your MRI with us and we will tell you what is the best solution for your injuries.